Google Chrome is a product from Google. So you can sign in with your Google account so that you can access your Google services quite easily. Let's say, for example, you want to access Gmail, which is a Google service. I can go up over here onto the top and type in gmail.com and press enter. So what happens is that it opens up the Gmail website right here, but it asks you to actually sign in. So if I were to click on sign in right here, what happens is that it asks me to actually type in the email address that is my Google account details. So if we were to access another service by Google, let's say, for example, Hangups.google.com right here, and if I were to press enter, then you can see that I have the sign in option here as well. So in order to access this without any problem, what I can do is I can simply sign in to my Google account by using the Chrome browser itself. Additionally, what it also allows me to do is sync up different things like bookmarks and other things in my Google account. So if I were to actually go ahead and then sign in into Google Chrome using Google account, then all of those things would be synced up onto the other system as well. So to sign in into Google account by using Google Chrome, on the top right hand side, I'm going to click here on this little button, and here you can see that there is an option called Turn on Sync. So once I click on it, what happens is that you get a place to sign in into Chrome. So you simply have to enter your Google account right here. So I'm just going to type in my details right here, and then I'm going to hit next. Once I do that, it asks me for my password. So I'm just going to enter my password right here, and I'm going to click on next. And then here you can see that I am signed in onto my Google account right here, and that is how I know it. You can see the profile picture is there, and you can turn on sync. That is what allows me to actually sync up my Google account with different settings in Chrome as well. So now if I were to close all of these things right here, so I'm going to close all of those tabs right here. So I'm just going to go to gmail.com, and then I'm going to press enter. What happens is that it directly opens up my Gmail. I don't need to sign in or do anything. I can also go around into, let's say, for example, Hangouts, which is another Google service, and you can see that I'm immediately signed in and I can start using that service. And that is how you can automatically log in into Google services by using Google account, so that you can access your Google services quite easily, plus sync up different things inside of Google Chrome in your account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.